welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to make homemade fresh pasta. Once you try this pasta, you will never have a store-bought pasta again. Let's start. The ingredients are simple. You need to have a quarter of a cup of semolina that you can purchase at your local store, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 room temperature eggs. Today I'm going to use the KitchenAid because it's much easier to make the dough by using KitchenAid. This dough is very sticky and is hard to work with hands. But if you don't have a KitchenAid, you can use the traditional way to make the dough by using your hands. To make the pasta dough, I'm going to use the dough hook. Now I'm going to add my flour. I cracked my eggs. You need around 5 minutes to make the pasta dough. For the first 2 minutes, I'm going to put it on number 2. For the last 3 minutes, you should put it on number 4. After 5 minutes, the dough is ready. That is the final product. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag and let it rest for about half an hour. This amount of dough is enough for 3 servings. After 30 minutes, my dough is ready. I'm going to make the pasta. Let's spread some flour. I'm going to make 4 pieces. I'm going to leave the rest in the bag because I don't want them to dry out. Okay, today I'm going to use a traditional pasta maker machine. I'm going to put the knob on number 1. If you don't have a 1, I know many KitchenAid, they have a gadget that you can use it to make the pasta. It's very exciting. So I start rolling it. You see that? We're gonna do it for 9 times because there are 9 numbers on the knob. So now I'm putting on number 2. Put number 3. Number 6. Flour, number 8, and the last number 9. You see that? It's very thin. So I'm going to repeat the same steps with the rest of the dough. The last sheet is ready. I have 4 sheets. I'm going to cut them in half because it's easier to work with them. I'm going to attach a die. I'm going to make fettuccine pasta. Okay, that's the fun part. I'm gonna put it here and I start. It's very easy. It's a fun part actually. Ta-da! They're ready. I'm gonna add a little bit flour because I don't want them to stuck together. Like that. I'm going to start with the next sheet. It's done. Look at it. So I already boiled the water. I'm going to add it to my water. It's like making regular pasta, but it needs just around 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. Okay, I'm going to add it. You don't want to overcrowd your pot. After 3 minutes, our pasta is ready. You should rinse it and serve it with your favorite sauce. Today I'm serving my pasta with my homemade Alfredo sauce. If you are interested, I put the link down below. Bon appetit!